All right, oh, hold on. All right, guys, I'm pumped. Got an unboxing for you. So for those of you who don't know, we're partners with StayAbove Nutrition, which is a local Hamilton supplement company. I'm not qualified to use this, but we're gonna try. Oh, this makes me so happy. First things, these shaker bottles, the best. I'll tell you why. 1, small. 2, they have these little, put this in the top, store your goods, throw it in the bottle, bam. Love this. We got Muscle 5, whey protein, Trim 7, and by far my favorite product that they have, and I'm super stoked to talk to you about this product, Restore 9. We love it so much. We got not 1 bag, not 2 bags. We got 3 bags. All right, let me take you through this. Muscle 5 is their whey protein, milk protein blend. Love this product. What's great about it is it has 40 total grams of protein per serving, which is epic. 24 coming from whey, 16 coming from milk. The other thing is they have both creatine, a little bit, 3 grams. You know, usually you're looking at taking at least 5 grams a day, but this is great just to have this in your shake. It also has a bit of vitamin D. So such a good product. This is their chocolate flavor. I've tried the mocha flavor. I don't know if I've tried the chocolate specifically, but super great if you're looking for a whey protein. And some of the feedback that we get from our clients that have taken this is that even if your stomach doesn't tolerate whey so well, for some reason, it's probably because of the blend and the way that it's made, this doesn't actually impact their stomach as much. So that's great. Trim 7, it's another product I'm gonna take. This is more of like what we would look at to like burn calories, burn energy. There's also a lot of different benefits of taking this. I'm not gonna go through that today. I'm gonna cover that in a different video, but I will be taking Trim 7. But the thing that I'm most stoked about is Restore 9. So this is by far my favorite product that StayAbove puts out. And here's why. So I'm an endurance athlete. I guess that's what I'm calling myself. I do a lot of marathons. I'm doing high rocks. So a key to recovery is getting protein, carbs, and electrolytes in after a big endurance workout. We're talking like a long run. We're talking a hard intensity, high rocks, CrossFit, high intensity interval type training. Even after like a sporting event, think like soccer, football. After you've really exerted yourself and we need to recover, what I love about this product so much is that it has 25 grams of whey protein, New Zealand whey protein. It has 50 grams of carbs. I think this is a very underrated macro that we forget about when it comes to performance, especially endurance. We want to start to replenish our carbohydrate stores so that when we have our next run, our next bout of training, that we're immediately getting a carb source to restore those stores in our body. And then to have electrolytes built into this, like I'm looking out the window now, it's super hot, it's July 2nd. We're sweating a ton. To replace your electrolytes is super important as well. So to have this built into one product that you can use immediately post-run, post-effort is huge. This is their orange flavor. It's the only flavor they have right now, but they are in the works of getting more out. What I like to do, take one of these bad boys. I showed you how awesome they are. I put lots of ice in it, make it nice and cold. I throw 2 scoops, which is 1 serving, into the shaker. Shake it up, and I have this ready to go immediately after my session. The reason that is you want to start to recover and refuel right away. And the thing that I find after high intensity workouts or a big long run is I'm not super hungry. Like I don't immediately want to just smash a bunch of food. So to be able to take 2 scoops of this and automatically start the recovery process, which I think we underestimate how important it is when we're trying to train and improve our bodies, that we are recovering, and recovery starts with nutrition. And this is a very easy way to start to get that in. So It is by far my favorite product. I'm super excited to, one, if you're at the movement, we're gonna be giving out some samples of this and this product. So if you guys are coming by, ask us, we'll let you try. But if you are an endurance athlete, or you are someone who's pushing their body really hard in the gym, or you're just looking for a good supplement to recover after a training session, this is your product, and I really, really hope you try it. So because we're ambassadors and partners with StayAbove, you guys can get a little bit of a discount on these products. So you can use code MOVEMENT20 to get 20% off any product on their website, the Trim 7, the Muscle 5, the shaker bottle. But right now they have a promo going for Restore 9. If you use the promo code RESTORE50, you're gonna get this for $50, which is an epic steal. I think it retails at $79.99. So if you're looking to try this product and see how great it is, this is your opportunity. You can use the code RESTORE50. And we really want to hear your feedback. Like, it's awesome for us to be able to partner with a local nutrition company like StayAbove, use their products to perform as like we're trying to push our bodies here at the movement, but also to give you guys an opportunity to try. Sure, the discount, all that stuff is great, but what I love about StayAbove is that they actually genuinely want to get feedback on the product, and I think they're looking for a lot of feedback on this product specifically. So if you try it, give us your feedback. Do you like the taste? Do you like the texture? Do you like how it mixes up? Do you like the macros on it and how it fits into your workout? How are you using it in your workout? If there was another flavor, let us know, because the StayAbove team wants this feedback, and the better we can make these products, the better it's gonna do, the better we're gonna perform, and then everyone's gonna be happy. So super stoked to unbox, super stoked about the partnership with StayAbove. Honestly, if I could do unboxings for a living, I would, because it's just like total chaos. I didn't cut myself. Thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.